All right, what is this, Claire?
2017 Buick.
I think it's a 2017. Yeah, we
Regal?
bought it. We bought it used. We don't buy brand new in my family.
No.
All right, ready?
All right.
I'm ready. I like to look at them.
Look. See, I hardly drive this. This is why it takes me a moment.
Oh, that's the right blinker,
Oh,
Claire.
that's right.
We can go look at it. It's got a nice sound, doesn't it?
Oh, you know what? Let me open up the window. Can she hear? No.
Well, she'll come in, stick her head in here.
Oh, okay. All right.
Goodbye.
You want to do your left blinker?
Oh, yes.
Going to the left?
Yes.
Okay.
That sounds different. That's a nice one.
That is nice.
It's not bad.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Are you done, Claire?
I'm all done. Goodbye.
All right, bye-bye.